What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install and update Java for Minecraft on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Java is a programming language and computing platform that is crucial for running various applications, including Minecraft. Minecraft is written in Java, which means that having the latest version of Java installed on your computer is key to ensuring that Minecraft runs smoothly without any issues. So let's start with installing Java. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to java.com/download. From here, look for the Download Java button. Clicking this will start the download process. The time it takes to download Java depends on your internet connection speed. It could be as quick as a few seconds or take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, you need to locate the downloaded file. Usually, it's in your Downloads folder. You can easily access this folder through your browser's download history. Once you find the Java setup file, double-click on it to start the installation process. The installation steps are very user-friendly. You'll mostly just need to click the Install button and follow any simple on-screen instructions. After installing Java, it's important to also download the Java SE Development Kit, which is necessary for some advanced functionalities in Minecraft, especially if you're into modding or using tools like Optifine. Go back to your browser, search for Java SE Development Kit, and click on the first link in the search results. This should lead you to the official JDK download page. Make sure to select the correct version for your operating system. If you're using Windows, click on the Windows tab and download the x64 installer. After the download is complete, run the setup file and follow the installation process. These steps are similar to the Java installation process, where you mostly need to click Next a couple of times and then let the installation wizard handle the rest. Now, with Java and JDK installed, you can run Java-based applications, including Minecraft. Java applications typically have a coffee cup icon. If, for a reason, a Java-based app doesn't open with Java by default, you can right-click on the file, select Open With, and then choose Java Platform SE Binary. Lastly, let's talk about keeping Java updated. It's important to always have the latest version of Java for security reasons and to ensure compatibility with newer versions of Minecraft. To update Java, search for it in your Start menu and run the application. In the Java app window, switch to the Update tab and click on Update Now. This will update Java to its latest version. Also, I recommend enabling the Check for Updates Automatically option, which allows Java to automatically check and install any new updates, ensuring that your system always has the latest version. I've detailed all of these steps along with some additional information and tips in an extensive guide. You can access this guide through the link in the video description. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.